Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Key, and I want to welcome you to this episode of Key's Cars. I hope everybody had a great week last week. I want to thank you all for watching last week's episode. Today, I want to take a look at a car that I am inspired to look at the design because of the new GR Yaris. And so I was looking at the GR Yaris and kind of thinking through what kind of competition that car might have in the market. And, you know, of course, here in the US, we're not going to get the GR Yaris, at least not that we know of. But for the rest of the world, you guys get to benefit from the fact that Toyota is going to be getting back into the WRC racing scene. And so with that thought, I wanted to kind of look at a car that I knew and loved from the 90s, the 1993 to 97 Ford Escort RS Cosworth. They built that kind of like the GR Yaris, specifically to race it and to win in WRC. Of course, that car didn't exactly achieve that. I want to say between 93 and 97, it won 8 to 10 events, but never captured the championship. And then, of course, they replaced it with the Focus and turned the Escort into this.
Is this yours, the X2?
Sure is. Hi, I'm
These are fast.
Dave.
A moon
I'm Dave, and you are...
a CD player.
Hello.
And then, of course, after that, the Escort kind of disappeared. So today I want to take a look at that 93 to 97-ish version of the Escort. And that's what we're going to do on this episode. I want to look at this particular angle of the car because this rear view is one of the most iconic things about the car, right? It's got that giant whale tail wing on the back. And really I want to kind of focus on that element as keeping that through the design, but then maybe do a couple of things like lower the roofline maybe just a little bit. Obviously, I'm going to change the tail lights, maybe add a rear diffuser, spruce up the wheels, but just kind of want to see what it might look like to do the tail lights and the rear end on this car. All right, so here we go.
What we do here is go back.
All right, guys. And there are some things that definitely I would continue to work on this Photoshop. But I think for what it is, I really like the direction. I like what I've done here. And so, you know, and all in all, what I'm doing this for in these videos is for me to continue to learn and to grow. So maybe one day I will be at the caliber of some of these other Photoshop guys. For right now, this is what I've done, and this is my take on the Escort. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have some suggestions, I'd love to hear from you guys. Write me in the comments, and you can shoot me an email. And other than that, I would love to have you guys subscribe and just kind of see where this channel goes. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. All right, take care.